Hello. It's Ignored Artist here. Had a bit of excitement over here in Hawaii. I'm so sorry. Fixing a midnight snack at 9 p.m., which is midnight for me since, I usually go to bed at like 7. So, what happened in Hawaii? Fake missile alert. People were so scared. It was just... I slept through the whole thing. By the time I woke up, they retracted the missile alert. But people are angry. Just angry. But it really makes you think. When I woke up, I realized I could have woken up dead. That wouldn't have been very nice. To wake up dead. I mean, I'm not afraid of death or anything. Living is much more frightening. I mean, if you really think about it. But, oh my goodness, the hoopla it caused. I mean, we are famous around the world. I mean, it's not like Hawaii hasn't been famous, but we were famous for grass skirts and hula dancers, the beaches and vacationing. But now we're famous for fake missile alerts. It's quite embarrassing, to tell you the truth. I'm glad it was him, not me. Here is my thought. I'm going to speak to all you people who aren't really there. My heart goes out to you who are angry about the mistake. And I feel you. I honestly do. Because I'm angry that you're not actually watching me and I'm talking to you right now. But you can either do one of two things. You can be angry and use the wasted time that was actually given back to you being angry about the mistakes made, or you could be thankful that there really wasn't a missile that hit the island. Would you much rather use up this time being angry because it was a mistake, or thankful because it was a mistake? It's a tough choice because you don't want people to make mistakes like that. But in the end, the mistake was made. So, the fear was intense. I gather. I don't know. I wasn't fearful. I wasn't awake. Ugh, roaches. But nothing happened in the end. I woke up alive. Whether that's good or not, I'm still trying to figure that one out, of course. Oh, it's one of those flying roaches. Ugh. I'm sorry, distracted. You can be angry and not learn from what happened today. Or you can learn from what happened today and enjoy the life that was given back to you.